We are going to solve the range of value of x which fulfill this requirement. Fulfill this one, at the same time fulfill this one. So 3 minus x over 2 larger than 2x plus 7. We just handle one by one, both sides times 2. Because both sides times positive, we don't change the direction. After that, I get used to rearrange all x to left hand side, so I move all x term to left hand side, and then minus 3 here, and then combine them. And then finally, I want x, I don't want negative 5, so I need to take action is divide both sides by negative 5. 11, we also divide by negative 5. Beware that when you divide it by negative, it's trigger a change in the direction. The reason is 1 and 3. 3 is larger than 1. But if we consider negative 1 and negative 3, we will find that negative 1 is larger. That's why we need to change the direction. We finish half of it. And also, we have to write down n here because we are talking about n case. It helps us to make our final conclusion later on. X plus 8 is larger than 0, so this is straightforward. X is larger than negative 8. Now we have to make our decision. On a number line, number line helps us to analyze the situation. We have two boundaries. One is negative 11 over 5, and another is negative 8. Negative 8 is smaller, so it's left hand side of our number line. And then we have negative 11 over 5. The first criteria is x need to be smaller than this value. So x is smaller than this value. So all x under this cover fulfill our first requirement. And then we have to look at the second requirement. X need to be larger or equal to negative 8. So we can choose any value which is larger or equal to negative 8. Then the blue region. Any value in the blue region fulfill the second requirement. And then we have to make our decision based on the n requirement. That means we need to find the region of x fulfill both inequality. So now it's separated to three regions. First region, second region, third region. The first region fulfill the first one only, but not the second one, so it's not our target. The second region fulfill the first one, also the second one, so it's okay. The last region fulfill the second, but not the first one, so this is not acceptable. And then we have to write down our conclusion at the bottom. We have to write down the name of this region. That means any x is between negative 8 and negative 11 over 5. So our conclusion is this one. Beware that we always use this direction. We seldom use an opposite direction to express an interval. In part B, we have to write down what are the greatest integer fulfill this requirement. So we rely on this graph. Those integer on this number line is negative 7, negative 6. The key point is this one. It's between negative 2 and negative 3.